quick updates for you. So this week is test week. I am releasing the videos early, so you might actually be seeing it before test week opens, but week 5 is test week. Okay, so the exam covers the 4 previous sections, right? So it's going to be going over all the material from week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. What I'm going to be giving you this week is a series of review videos in case you want them that goes over the most commonly missed questions from the homework and from the quizzes. It's also going to kind of re-go through some of the material to refresh you and things like that. Okay. So within the test is between 35-40 questions. I'm still debating if I want to keep the last couple ones of them. You have 3 hours to complete the exam, unless you have double time, in which it will be allowed for 6 hours. It is monitored, so it does have camera monitoring through an AI while you take it. Which you get onto the same sort of way you do before, right? So you initiate lockdown browser and it will just do a camera check as well. So you're gonna have to make sure that you have a camera plugged in for this one, okay? Alrighty, so what else do we have for you? You're allowed to use scratch paper. If it pops up that there's an issue because of scratch paper, just make sure that you've shown the camera that it is blank scratch paper, and then I don't care. After that, it's fine, because I understand sometimes it's a little bit easier doing these exams when you're able to write out like your supply and demand graphs and stuff. Just make sure that like the AI bot can see that it's a blank piece of paper. So if I need to go check it later, I can tell it's a blank piece of paper. Okay, so with that, let's see. So exam. So once you do the review videos, if you choose to do the review videos, you can take the exam. You have 3 hours to complete the exam. It's a whole bunch of short answer questions. Now, there is one other thing you have to do this week. You do have to give me your project topic. So you'll see that there's a discussion board post. This discussion board is not for credit on your grade, right? It's that I can get your project topic. So when you go into the discussion board post, you start a new thread, you give me your project topic. Now, you will either be immediately approved, so I'll go in within 48 hours and let you know if it's an approved topic or not. With that, I just need to make sure that no one else is doing it, because 2 people can't have the same topic. And then I also need to make sure, like, is there enough information on this company that you can reasonably do a project on it? So you may not be approved if it's one that I'm just like, oh, there's not really enough stuff out there. If so, I'll tell you not approved, and you just have to go back and come up with another idea, right? Okay, well, if there's anything else that I can do for you, please let me know. Good luck on your exam this week. You got it. I will be available for office hours on Monday and Wednesday, the week of the exam, and also available by appointment. So I know those times don't work for everybody, but I can be available at other times if you need it for some nice exam prep together. All right, well, enjoy all the videos that are meant to gear you up for this really fun time, and we're going to get through it, and then I will see you next week when we start discussing regulations. All righty, everybody. And if just hearing about the discussion post where you have to give me a project topic sounds like a surprise, that means that you did not see the project outline video in week 4. So go back and look at the project outline video in week 4. Okay, so this week, look at the review videos, take the exam. You're going to do awesome on it. And then give me your project discussion topic. Okay, I will not chat your ear off anymore. I know you got a lot to do. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.